Got some sugar. That's good. You gonna help me make this? What do you think, baby? Okay, let's go. All right, my little peanut is occupied, so let's make my baked oatmeal with dark chocolate. She's chatting away. With dark chocolate, hazelnut, and chia seeds, featuring wholesome organic dark brown sugar and one of my favorite granolas. Nature's Path Organic Love Crunch Granola, and this is their dark chocolate and hazelnut butter flavor. So I'm leaning into those flavors. I'm using hazelnuts and dark chocolate, and I'm using the granola in the baked oatmeal. My oven is preheated to 375. You wanna make sure your oven's ready to go, so when this is all put together, you can just pop it directly in your oven. I have a 4-ounce bar of dark chocolate. We're gonna give it a rough chop. What I wanted was chocolate pieces throughout this oatmeal, and I wanted it to be chocolatey, so I add cocoa powder and dark chocolate, and the dark chocolate and hazelnut butter granola. So you're getting all of the chocolate that you can. So roughly chop up your chocolate. Chocolate is cut. One of my least favorite things to cut now, hazelnuts. They're round and they roll around. They're really hard to chop. So, oh my gosh. So you just go slow and steady, and you're just gonna chop them, and I'm gonna hate every single minute of this. If I could have someone chop these for me. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. It's okay. Hazelnuts are chopped, chocolate's chopped. Let's add it to our bowl. We're gonna mix our dry ingredients first, and then we're gonna do our wet ingredients and add our wet into our dry. Okay, so hazelnuts, chocolate. Let's add in, I'm gonna use a full bag because I'm not messing around. So what I do is I eat a little bit of the Love Crunch organic granola, and then I pour it in here. Well, a little bit more. So good. Okay, pour the entire bag in. Add in oats. I use gluten-free rolled oats, I believe.
Old-fashioned rolled oats.
Old-fashioned rolled oats. Just like Mom used to use. Chia seeds. You could use black or white chia seeds, does not matter. Cocoa powder. And baking powder. This helps lift everything up, helps it puff up. And a little pinch of salt. I always add salt to my sweet. I think it enhances the flavors and balances everything out. That's it for my dry. Let's give it a stir. All right, so that's done. Let's do our wet ingredients. Medium bowl. We're gonna add 4 cups of unsweetened almond milk, or you could do cashew milk, or oat milk would be great in this too. I just happen to have almond milk at home, so that's what I'm using. 2 eggs. I'm living on the edge, guys. I should crack these in a different bowl in case I get some shell, but I'm not doing it. A little bit of vanilla. And then last but not least, 1/3 cup of our Wholesome organic dark brown sugar. They have light brown and dark brown sugar. I like the dark brown sugar. It has a little bit more of that molasses, that richness, caramely flavor. So I like to use their dark brown in this situation. Stir it together. Just whisk it. Make sure you break up those eggs. You're not making sunny side up egg oatmeal. That's disgusting. Not here, not today. Wet into dry. This will be quite loose. Hi, Peanut. You wanna help Mama stir? She came back to help me stir. You wanna help Mama stir? Okay. Does this smell good? You've never had chocolate before. Just give it a stir. It'll be very loose. But once it cooks, the chia seeds will absorb all of that liquid. The oats will absorb that liquid as well. So don't get discouraged. Don't be like, I've done something horribly wrong. Megan, you've led me down a terrible path. Mama would never do that. So my oven is ready to go. Move this baby girl. I have an 8x8 baking dish that I've already sprayed with cooking spray. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Think Mama can pour this all on her own? Here we go. To the brim. And then just spread it out. That is to the brim. Wow. This one's a full one, guys. So just spread out the granola and the oats so it's not piled up in the middle. I'm gonna go pass off my baby and let's pop this in the oven. The oatmeal, not the baby. You would never do that to you. All right, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. But lucky for you, I already have one baked, so we don't have to wait. We don't have to just sit here while I sing a ditty while this bakes. I have one ready to go, so I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna pop this in the oven, and then I'm gonna show you how this looks when it's baked. Here is my other baked oatmeal. Exact same recipe, but I had one ready to go, so we don't have to wait. It smells so good. It smells like a brownie, a hazelnut brownie. Doesn't it smell so good? Let's dig in. Ooh, she's tender, she's moist. Sorry if that's a trigger word, but she's set. Look at that. Can you see that steam? All right, I'm gonna top it with some non-dairy yogurt. Just like a scoop. Top it with some cacao nibs for a little crunch. It's so cozy and warm. You can make this ahead of time. You make this on like a Sunday or Monday, have it all week. You can warm it up. It's good cold too. Let's give it a try. Crunchy, chocolatey. I got a little bit of that hazelnut. I mean, what's not to like, man? You like chocolate? You like hazelnut? Come on down to Old Baked Oatmeal world. So check out this recipe to learn more about organic ingredients, and that organic isn't just produce, it's also packaged goods. Head to the Organic Center, which is organic-center.org. Learn some cool stuff. Check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you made this recipe. See you later.